Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and to this video I'm going to show you on how to simply stop Microsoft from accessing your Windows PC webcam. Very quick and step-by-step tutorial. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are bringing it to this channel, remember, click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here and right click on your start menu, then go to settings. Let's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to privacy, and the next thing you need to do is to come down below right here. Make sure you click on camera, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to allow apps to access your camera. If you allow access, you can choose which apps can access your camera by using the setting on this page. Deny access block apps from accessing your camera. It does not block Windows Hello. Your Windows Hello are your security password that you use to log in Windows account. And for you to stop Microsoft from having access to your camera, what you need to do is to simply turn off this particular button right here. And with that, all apps that have access to your camera, such as Feedback Hub, OneNote for Windows 10, Skype, and camera, etc., they are going to be disabled. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.